Alright, I have mine with me.
Shayna,
Where you from?
Tampa.
Tampa? Why you down here?
My birthday.
Birthday girl. So we normally in Miami, but we on Fort Lauderdale Beach today.
Yeah.
And the police heavy, so we gotta wait till we get outside.
I like that song. I thought Miami people don't listen to music down there. Y'all have like your own type of like trap music.
Somewhat. Tampa, y'all listen to stuff slow down, don't you?
No, I don't like yeah, no. I do like slow down music, but I don't listen to rap.
Down here, we listen to fast. Like, I mean, speed our songs up down here.
Like super fast. Let me hear one.
I remember being 21, 21. DJ Crypto now.
Kaya, the old singer,
Yeah.
rapper.
Yeah. Y'all do? Oh, wow. Yeah.
Not anymore. She don't make no new music.
No, because she's old. I'm saying like her music.
When she had her music, yeah.
Yeah. What about, I'm sure y'all listen to Young Boy.
Yeah, they listen to Young Boy.
I don't listen to rap music though. I'm not a big rapper.
So what you listen to?
Country music. I love
Country?
music. I am not your average black girl. I love any music, but country music is literally like probably on my top list. When I work out in the gym, I listen to country. Yeah.
I do not have a country playlist at all.
Alright, I'm not requesting to play country music. You can play what I listen. I'm diverse. I listen to any and and I love jazz music. Like this, I want to have jazz music.
Me too. That's why I have it.
I've been telling him, he's like, listen to y'all. I'm like, no, I don't.
Because jet skis are more,
Don't make this shit.
no, not really. It's just, you can do more on the boat. I mean, like you go out at night and all that stuff. And we have a boat too. We got to be in before the sun really goes down. But
You guys don't have lights.
it's illegal to put them on.
Really?
Because they got to be more than 20 foot long. In order to
That's
get a light.
Oh, that's amazing.
But we still be out at night.
Yeah,
They don't be messing with you. Just tell them one of broke down. So, we have we got our way around it.
I'm a water. I was born and raised in the Bahamas, and I moved here when I was 6. So anything on the water is legit where I want to be. I don't
Yeah, I love the water too. I've been out literally Friday, Saturday, and now Sunday. Every day.
on the water.
On the water.
And I can live
See, I got my own business, so I be.
whatever you want. See, I'm not that guy. Yeah, I'm not the volunteer. So like,
What's
I
up?
don't get the option to have like the freedom.
Yeah,
Like he is a finance accountant, but also knows like businesses for other people.
Shoot, I probably have to tap in with
I
him.
listen, he's humble.
Yeah?
Yeah, for sure, and he would love that because he's from here. He moved to Fort Lauderdale. He has no friends down there. One friend, his mom is in North Carolina. His sisters are in New Jersey, Philly, and Washington. So it's just like when we hang out, it's just him and I.
Okay. But that's a good connection for y'all.
Yeah, he always said we need more people to hang out with us. I'm like, no, I don't like that. I don't give a yes.
I don't really know too many females that do.
Listen, and that's why I said, I was like, are you okay with me getting in the back of his jet? Because I just,
Because some people are not.
no, some men will be like, oh no, why are you getting
That's a good thing, though.
He's
Because
very,
he's,
he's very cool. Like, I've never disrespected him.
that's a good thing.
Like that, when she was there, oh my God.
Was she with somebody?
I don't even know.
Oh, okay. That's what you're saying. Oh, okay, so that's
So she
it.
lives that lifestyle. My God. Yeah, that's a lifestyle.
Yeah,
Is that their goal or do they
I'm pretty sure that's there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. By the Trump supporter sign and the flag, that's there.
Oh, fuck. I didn't even see that sign, but it's just now. Fucking
Nothing wrong with them. I'm
I
just
mean, I don't
saying.
listen. I'm not a racist person. To each his own. Whatever makes you vote the most. That's my motto in life. I never judge anyone's lifestyle.
So what all y'all did so far?
So we've been down here since Friday. We went to. I ate a lot of food,
I bet.
way more food than I can ever imagine. I drank a lot, like to the point my pores is hurting because I've had so much alcohol. We haven't done much of anything. We were supposed to go to a concert in Miami.
What concert?
The best of the best or something like that. It started at 2 o'clock.
Today?
Yeah. And guess yeah, I know. Yeah. Uh-huh. So I told him, I was like, do you want to go? I don't really want to go to Miami. Like, I'm not a
The
big
traffic
Miami.
is crazy down
I'm not a
there.
big Miami kind of girl. I've been to Miami once when I was 18, and that was it. So I'm trying to convince him not to go. But we already paid for the tickets, and his friends came from they live in West Palm Beach to Fort Lauderdale. So to
No one is
Miami.
gonna go.
No, not them. His like one of his like power friends, and he's like coming back even though like the beach is really busy, and I'm like, oh, you went to their birthday weekend, so it's like I'm accommodating someone else for my birthday, but I don't want to like
Yeah, you're supposed to be happy you're fine.
yeah, I don't want to go to Miami. I don't want to be in traffic. Maybe I can even like
Wow. See what the boat's at out there, huh? To the port. Get the port out. You normally see cruise ships going out.
So special, you so tough. Me and you together, over last spell. Drop top slide. I know you beside. I don't want nothing out you, baby. Thinking about you, baby. She say, Daddy, that pussy only get wetter for you. You hoes ain't on your level. I look better with you. Put your phone on me and me. Boyfriend on me now. So catch flight with me. I know you like to travel. Wanna see me, gotta catch up with me. Baby, you so pretty. Fuck a dime shit 20, baby. I was wondering what happened. I was asking you, there ain't a fraction of you. We only going up. They can't catch us, baby. Man, get whatever you want. It's whatever, baby. I know you was that when I met you, baby. When you fucking with a boss, you look better, baby. Where you going, when you been there? Leave them lanes in the past. We done been there, we done did that. They just keep it real with me. And if you know you ain't got a deal with so transparent. Yo, over last bounce. I know you decide. I don't want nothing out you, baby. I'm thinking about you, baby. And I ain't gonna rant about you, man. I know you got it. Yeah, let's let's finish this bottle. And we can deal with that tomorrow. Sexy outside, also got you right. She got me pulled up, making sure that's right.